Hi guys, in this video we'll look at some exponent practice. Okay, so let's dive in. The first one, this is 4x to the power of 3 multiplied by 2x to the power of 2. Okay, so this is something as 4 times 2 is 8, then x to the power of 3 x to the power of 2. Okay, so recall the rule that says a to the power of m, a to the power of n. This is a to the power of m plus n. So for x to the power of 3 dot x to the power of 2, this becomes x to the power of 3 plus 2 is 5. Then for number 2, we'll have this will become x to the power of 1 minus 2, then y to the power of 1 minus 3. Okay, don't forget please, a to the power of m over a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. That is the rule we are applying here. Now this becomes x to the power of negative 1 multiplied by y to the power of negative 2. So this one can also be written as 1 over x multiplied by 1 over y to the power of 2, which is equal to 1 over xy squared. So the answer could be this or this, depending on what appears as the options. Then for number 3, number 3 is similar to number 2. So this one becomes a to the power of 2 minus negative 4, 2 minus negative 4, and b to the power of 3 minus negative 5, then z, sorry, this is supposed to be z, okay, then z to the power of 4 minus negative 3. So this becomes a to the power of 2 plus 4, b to the power of 3 plus 5, z to the power of 4 plus 3. So don't forget, negative multiply negative, we turn positive. Negative multiply negative, we turn positive. Same thing here. So this is a to the power of 6, b to the power of 8, and z to the power of 7. Okay, then for number 4, this one is distributed over everything here. So this will be x to the power of 2 times 3 is 6, divided by y raised to the power of 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so don't forget a to the power of a over b to the power of m is same thing as a to the power of m b to the power of m, because this m outside here, which is the power, is affecting everything inside the parentheses. Then for number 5, this is same thing as 3x to the power of 4. Then let's simplify what we have in the parentheses, which is at the denominator level. So this becomes x to the power of negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Okay, then this is equal to 3 x to the power of 4 minus negative 4. Okay, so this becomes 3 to the power of 4 plus 4, which is 3x to the power of 8. Sorry, this is 3x to the power of 8. Yeah. And for number 5, we add the powers because the bases are the same. A to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Okay, that's the rule we are using here. Now this becomes y to the power of 3 over 2 minus, don't forget it's supposed to be plus, okay, plus negative 1 over 2. At the end of the day is still going to be 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2. So this is y to the power of 3 minus 1 over 2 is same thing as 2 over 2, which is 1. That is to say 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2. This the denominator is the same, 2. 3 minus 1, okay, 2 over 2, which is 1. So the answer here is y raised to the power 1, or simply y. Then for number 7, yeah, this is 3m all to the power of 2, then 5m cubed all to the power of 2. Okay, now start by distributing these two over what we have here. So 3 squared is 9, then m power 1 times 2 is m squared, then here is 5 squared is 25, then m to the power of 3 times 2 is m to the power of 6. So this becomes 9 times 25 times m to the power of, we'll add the powers, the same base, 2 plus 6 is 8. So 25 multiplied by 9, 9 times 5 is 45, 5, 4, 9 times 2 is 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, so we'll have 225 m to the power of 8. Okay, please, I would like you to solve question 8 and put your answer down in the comment section. Alright, thanks for watching this video to this moment. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.